Okay, this video is going to cover how to inscribe this triangle into a circle. So the first thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to need to find the circumcenter of this triangle. And if you'll recall from our last lesson, we do that by finding the perpendicular bisectors and where they intersect. So I'm going to take my compass and I'm going to open it more than halfway along one of my sides so that I'll be able to find the perpendicular bisector. So this will be a good review in case you have forgotten how to do that as well. So with my compass open more than halfway, that's obviously way more than halfway, I'm going to put my pivot point at the vertex, draw an arc from either end, and these intersection points here and here are going to create the line for my perpendicular bisector. So there's one perpendicular bisector, and I am marking which side that's intersecting because this can get a little bit messy as we go along. Now, opening my compass more than halfway for another side, I'm going to do the same thing. Now, I can tell by looking at this right now that I have not drawn this line out long enough, so I'm going to extend it. Now I'm going to connect the dots from this construction of the perpendicular bisector. I'm looking for this point where these two lines intersect. And I'm looking for that because that is going to be equal distance, if you'll recall, from each of the vertices of this triangle. So this is going to become the radius of my circle. So in order to draw my circle, I'm going to need to open my compass to reach from the center, the intersection of those perpendicular bisectors, and one of my vertices of my triangle. Now I can double check that I'm doing a good measurement really quickly. Yep, that's looking pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my circle. Now, an inscribed triangle in a circle simply means that all of the vertices of my triangle are on the circumference of my circle, so I have now succeeded. That is how you inscribe a triangle that you've already been given into a circle.